In the world of science, few rivalries have reshaped human understanding like that between Albert Einstein and Niels Bohr. Their debate wasn't just theoretical, it was existential. It was about what the universe is, and more importantly, how we exist within it. Einstein's theory of relativity taught us that time and space are part of a cosmic fabric. Everything has a cause and an effect. The future unfolds from the past, with precision. Einstein believed in a logical, observable universe. God does not play dice, he insisted. Bohr, on the other hand, embraced uncertainty. As a founding father of quantum theory, he proposed that the universe at its core behaves unpredictably. In Bohr's quantum world, time and space aren't fundamental. What exists depends on the observer. This wasn't mysticism, it was math and experiment. Then came the proof. In 2018, researchers conducted a groundbreaking quantum entanglement experiment between the Canary Islands. They transmitted entangled photons, particles of light, across 143 kilometers using high-precision laser beams. But what made this experiment especially astonishing wasn't just the distance, it was the source of the light. To eliminate any possible interference from local conditions or human influence, scientists used light from two quasars located 7.8 billion and 12.2 billion light-years away, ancient light that began its journey long before Earth even existed. This cosmic light was used to randomly determine the measurement settings in the experiment, ensuring that nothing in our immediate environment could have caused or influenced the quantum connection. The results? Once these photons were entangled, they instantly affected each other, no matter how far apart they were. What happened to one immediately influenced the other. This phenomenon, known as quantum entanglement, shattered the classical idea of locality, that one thing can only affect another through direct contact in space and time. Einstein, who famously referred to this as spooky action at a distance, was deeply unsettled by the implications. And yet, the 2018 experiment proved that Bohr's view was correct. The universe is fundamentally interconnected in ways that transcend our everyday understanding of space and time. Why does this matter to you? Because these entangled particles are part of atoms. And atoms make up everything. You, me, the chair you're sitting on, your business, your dreams. If we extrapolate this principle, we realize quantum entanglement isn't just a physics phenomenon, it's a life principle. If particles remain connected across vast distances, so do we. Your thoughts, emotions, and intentions have a measurable impact on the field around you. You are influencing reality, not metaphorically, but literally. The practical power of the quantum. You're not a passive receiver in this world, you're a transmitter. What you focus on expands. What you believe becomes visible. The quantum field responds to clarity, coherence, and intention. If entangled atoms can remain in sync across islands, then imagine the effect your focused mind can have on your relationships, your goals, your destiny. The same laws that govern subatomic particles govern the atoms that build your body and your life. From lab to life, the Canary Islands experiment doesn't just validate a theory. It activates a new mindset, one where you're no longer limited by time, space, or circumstance. You are invited to become a conscious creator, to see faith as a frequency, intention as energy, and thought as the architect of reality. Science has finally caught up to what ancient wisdom already knew. We are co-creators with God. Quantum entanglement is a whisper from the divine, a reminder that connection, not separation, is the nature of reality. And your power is not in effort alone, but in alignment with your soul, with your vision, and with a universe that listens. Reality is not fixed, it's fluid. It flows from your mind, your faith, and your focus. The universe is entangled with your intention. What will you choose to create today?